have some people that do print on demand. So let's say, for example, there's somebody that is selling Western style things already. And you can tell me if you don't want to talk about this publicly or not sure if you don't want to, maybe it's more of a negotiation, but is it possible to give me an idea of like, if I came to you and said, I'm already selling Western stuff, I love your Longhorns. Can you create a Longhorn for me that I can put on a mug? Is that, can you give me some type of idea of a number of how much that would cost somebody to have you create one? Or would you just give them one that you've already created?
Well, all of those are possible. I'm still painting Longhorns. This is one back here that I've just, recently painted, and all of those paintings back there are pretty. Actually, most of them were done in November. Okay. So that's how prolific I am. But one of the things when I do a custom painting, I won't take any money for that painting. It has to meet the need. So I do not, the value of this painting is not there until it has been used and, created a, and so I'm perfectly happy to sell that to them later if it's a successful thing, but I really would prefer the royalties in the
got it. So if I wanted to sell a mug with a Longhorn, you would create it, essentially you're creating it for free, and then when it sells, we would just come to a royalty agreement. For every one that sells, you get X number of dollars.
Right. I have people that are doing that with fabric. There's a young lady that does chiffon scarves for men that have Longhorns on it. University of Texas has had a great season, and she has done just amazing with the sale of this. Yeah. And see, one of the things that I don't want to be remorseful. I don't want to not share, and I'm going to stand up. So
go for it.
This is a new product of mine, and they are chiffon scarves.
Okay.
And I'm in a gallery with them in Marble Falls right now, and they're doing really well on this. This has given me new purpose with my art. This is the painting that this one came from. And so again, I know how to do the fabric. Now, this is not a product, after I paint the painting, put it on the fabric, then I have to pay somebody to sew it for me. Then it is sold, but it created an opportunity for me to again be a gallery artist. And the world's changed for me, and I'm very comfortable with that with that place now. And so, and that's something that Linda really, hopes that we have represented going forward.